Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to share such a great thing with you that is entirely necessary for all the traders, holders, and also the buyers. But before moving on, I am going to share such a great news regarding coin market cap, which is entirely necessary for all the traders. What happened in coin market cap? If you are a crypto holder or crypto trader, you know one thing, whenever basically the BTC price will go down, most of the altcoins will go down. And whenever the BTC price will raise, it means go uptrend, then definitely all the altcoins will go uptrend. And in vice versa, in other case, every time whenever that BTC dominance, it means the Bitcoin dominance will go down, then definitely the altcoin price will increase. And whenever the altcoin prices will go down, then definitely the dominance of BTC increased up and the price of BTC also. Today, what I am going to share with you regarding TBC. What is TBC all about? This coin TBC is not enhanced on the basis of BTC. For example, if BTC is going, for example, $19,000, or it will go, you can say downtrend up to $2,000, nothing will happen to this token. It is not a basically token, it is basically a coin. It has its own mainnet. So definitely it has its own basis, which I am going to share with you today. So before moving on, kindly do me a simple favor, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon. And if you are listening my voice first time and you have any type of questions, kindly do follow me on my social media here. Whenever you can click, you can basically redirect towards my social media accounts. So do me a favor and do subscribe me over there. Now, what is TBC coin all about? That is the basic question which everyone's comes mind. Basically, TBC is a unique crypto and first of its kind. Its growth is determined by a unique formula which depends on the number of verified users globally for its growth and not market forces. For example, if any whale will come and it will buy TBC, nothing will happen to the TBC, or any whale is going to sell the TBC coin, then still the price will not go down. Here you can see the basic things of TBC coin. Right now, I will definitely basically share one of the best thing regarding the buying of the TBC coin in maximum 3-4 days next. And basically you will love that one, the formula of the TBC. Right now, you can see the value of the TBC increases by 1 to 5% daily, meaning your investment in it appreciates by 1 to 5% daily. For example, I'm just giving you a simple example here. For example, you are going to invest $100 in TBC. For example, it will increase 5% daily. It means after 30 days, your income will increase. For example, every day, for example, we are going to take 1%, then it means every day $1 is basically inside in your main you can say investment. If you are going to invest $100, next day your investment will be $101, and after 30 days your investment be, if for example if it is going 1% daily, then definitely the price of your 100 which you invested only 100, that will be $130 after 30 days, after 1 month. That is the main thing of this phenomenon of the TBC. Here you can basically earn token, which I will definitely basically share that one thing with you very soon in maximum next 4 days. As I told you, you can earn TBC coin with your every referral link. You are going to earn TBC coin. If your referral is going to buy TBC coin, then definitely you also got the percentage from there. Right now they have multiple options. You can purchase this token in BTC, Ethereum, USDT. They have multiple options. So that is not the issue which I will definitely share with you. Here you can see number of multiple companies. Now I'm not going to share the name of those one companies, but number of multiple companies are going to use TBC. Why TBC? That is the question. Why they are using TBC instead of BTC, Ethereum or USDT? That is the current question. The basic thing is, basically it is quite an old token. It is not not you can say a new coin, or it is not in the ICO form, not like this. No. It is basically quite an old coin which is basically formatted in 2016, in the early days of crypto. Seriously, it was basically manufactured in 2016, and you can see the price of 1 TBC coin in December 2016, 30th of December 2016. You can see the price 1000 euros. At this time, it is not basically the main author and the main CEO is not selling this token in 1000 euro at this time. Seriously, that is the current thing which I want to share with you. At this time, they are selling this token at very low price. Seriously, so that is the current issue. And the main thing of the whole issue is this, that it is entirely a decentralized. Now we are going to talk about what is centralized and what is decentralized. Centralized is like this. For example, I make a token, I make a coin, which I basically formatted up to, you can say, okay, 20% to my subscribers, 30% to my followers on Facebook, and 20% on the Twitter. But the main thing is this, that 35 or 40% in my own hand. That means a centralized thing. But the decentralized thing is like this, that the company didn't own more than 5 to 10%, or maximum you can say 20%. With the phenomenon of SCBA, it recommends any coin, any token which basically hold up to 20% on its own hand. That is basically a decentralized coin. So TBC coin is entirely a decentralized coin. As you can basically see in this one, for the main photo, here you can see 70% already distributed to the community. It means they don't have as much TBC in their pocket. Only you can say reserve funding is 15%. That is nothing. And founders of team only have 9%. It means minimum from 20%. It means it is entirely a decentralized project. So if you are going to invest in it, definitely you are going to earn a lot of money from it. Right now I will show you the roadmap. This is basically the entire roadmap of the TBC coin. So what they are going to do, here you can see the TBC agreement and you. All members of the Billion Coin community agreed that this coin will never go down in value. It can only go up in price. This agreement is hinged on software program that the price of TBC up by 1 to 5% daily. As I told you above, that every day the price will increase from 1% to 5%. If you are going to invest 1000 in it, it means if it is going 1% or 5% daily, then definitely you are going to earn $50. The $50 every day. That is the best thing. Okay. Here you can see another thing, TBC agreement to get more education on what the first abundance-based cryptocurrency is all about. Abundance cryptocurrency means the one thing, it every time increases its price. As I will show you one simple thing, and I will definitely share one more thing very soon with you. In the cryptocurrency market, we already have had one coin which is basically same like TBC. I will definitely share that one thing with you in my next video. Here you can see the latest news about digital currency and everything. The TBC coin at this time in most of the countries, in Philippines, in Thailand, and even in Nigeria and Kenya, number of people are buying their assets, buying their cars, buying their, you can say, bungalows and everything. Real estate market is basically using TBC coin. The reason behind using TBC coin, what is the reason? The reasons are very simple. The basic reason of buying TBC coin, or you can say a trade in TBC coin, is very simple, because the thing is the basic thing is this, that it is, you can say, a stable currency. It is not going down. It is not going down. You can say it is not like this. For example, right now its price is 6,371, but after after 1 hour, or you can say after 15 minutes, the price will go up to 6,700. Or it is not like this, that the price of 6,371, but after 15 minutes the price will go down to 4,000. No. It is basically a stable coin. What is the meaning of the stable coin? That it marks its price. That is the basic thing. Because whenever any type of coin which is on the basics, on the stable coin is the most recommended in trading and in each type of buying and selling. So at this time, number of people are buying this cryptocurrency from all over the world and basically use it for the trading and everything. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And very soon the private sale is going to come in hardly as I told you, as I am discussing this thing with the CEO at this time. So definitely hardly you can say in 4 to 5 days the private sale will start, and you have the chance to buy TBC coin, and you have to fill up your buckets with the TBC coin. Thanks a lot.